Hi guys and gals, this morning I'm taking one of the walks here to see some rock holes, Aboriginal carvings, paintings, see how it goes. This is just another episode in the Mutawintji National Park. Welcome if you're a first time viewer. If you return, thank you. Alright, let's get on to it. This is the walkway into the Aboriginal Art Cave that's wheelchair accessible. The only part of the park that really is wheelchair accessible. Sadly, it's all fading away. This is the riverbed. I assume this leads to the rock holes. Anyway, we will see. Looks like we might have found the rock holes. I'll show you what I can without falling over. Here we have a dam built by the old homesteaders to get water for the station. I guess to water their stock and to keep them alive. Here we have a little gorge leading from the dam. This is the Ridgetop Walk. Not for the faint-hearted. Like up there. This is the view from the top of Heart Attack Hill. our little markers. Once again, not for the faint-hearted. We're right here on the edge of doom. Oh well, this is the end of this episode. There will probably be 2 or 3 episodes on Mutawintji. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't, hit the subscribe button down the bottom to see when I release more. And if you like, put a comment down below, other places you'd like me to visit and photograph. And once again, thank you very much.